Hey guys, Bobby here, and welcome to today's video. Today I will be blacking out the emblems on my mom's Genesis GB70. The product I will be using is from Dipyourcar, Hyper Dip. It's going to be shadow black, and hopefully this color matches the black of the bumper here. So let's go ahead and get started. So before I get started with prepping the emblems to be dipped, I just wanted to show you guys the products that I use. I have the Dipyourcar's Hyper Dip in shadow black here. I always have a cup of hot water with it. I put the can in the hot water just to make it easier to spray. I also have Dipyourcar's pre-dip spray here. It just gets the surface ready and gets it nice and clean. So you use microfiber cloth, toothpicks, a little smudger tool here, plastic one, some old newspaper tape, and that's basically all you need. So let's go ahead and get started. So whenever I give pointers to people asking for suggestions, I always tell them that prepping is the most important part when it comes to dipping. So what I like to do is I get my pre-dip spray here, spray it on a microfiber cloth, and then I have my little tool, and I'll just go ahead and go over, and then I'll go under, use a microfiber, and I'll just clean along the edges of every single letter or number here. So I'll go ahead and do that to all the emblems, and we'll go ahead and start the masking process. Alright, so I got everything masked up, and it should be good enough for any overspray anywhere. So let's go ahead and get started on spraying the Hyper Dip, and I'll show you guys the final product. Alright, so I finished peeling off the Genesis and it looks pretty clean. They cut very nice. Looks OEM. So I'm gonna go ahead and get working on the GV70 and I'll go drive over there and I'll show you guys the final product after I'm finished. Alright, so I got everything finished. Everything looks pretty clean. I think this is the way that it should have came from the factory, but that's why we get products from Dip Your Car like this, so that we could make things like this happen. So I'll go ahead and leave their own tutorials in the description below, so you guys can follow those tutorials too. And if you guys are interested, go ahead and check them out. Yeah, on Instagram, Facebook, on YouTube, and just Dip Your Car. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.